Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Pratesh Kaista. So today's topic is nothing but glaucoma. So today we are going to talk about glaucoma. So glaucoma is nothing but the glaucoma is the one which damages the eye optic nerve. It is leading to cause the blindness. It usually happens when the pressure inside the eye slowly rises, which means the raise in IOP. Now we are going to talk about the types of glaucoma are basically congenital and acquired. The congenital is not further divided, but the acquired is divided into two types, which is primary and secondary. The primary is further divided into two types, open angle glaucoma and closed angle glaucoma. Now talking about the congenital infantile glaucoma, it is characterized by the elevation of IOP associated with the developmental abnormalities of glaucoma of the anterior chamber depending upon age onset, which means it totally depends on the IOP associated developmental abnormalities, which is caused that after the increasing of intraocular pressure, the abnormalities which have been there, it is caused to that only. The developmental glaucoma are termed into three categories: true or primary, congenital, infantile or juvenile. Now talking about the open angle glaucoma. Open angle glaucoma is nothing but is the most common glaucoma disease generally seen after the age of 40s. Now talking about its type, primary chronic open angle glaucoma is the most common type of glaucoma. Normal tension glaucoma is the second most common, and in this the decreased blood flow of the optic nerve is there. Childhood glaucoma is nothing but the glaucoma which is there in the childhood and leads to visual loss. Secondary open glaucoma can result to eye injury, in which the injury to the eye can be caused. Now talking about the fifth one, which is pigmentary glaucoma, which is caused due to the granules pigment detached from the iris, which is the colored part of the eye. Now talking about the exfoliative glaucoma is the glaucoma which is characterized by the deposits of flaky materials on the front surface, which means a dotted materials which have been seen in the front surface of the eye. Now talking about the angle closer glaucoma is, in this the entire drainage angle becomes automatically closed. In the another one, the angle is caused due to a disease, and after 40s is the common, but it is caused to the closed angle, which means the drainage is totally closed. In acute there is a sudden closed, and in the chronic this is gradually closed, means slowly. Now causes and risk factor in which the glaucoma can be caused, which means कि किस केसेस में ग्लोकोमा में हो सकता है. Eye injury, eye surgery, steroid use, antihistamines, trauma, cataract, and age over 45 are the main. Now talking about signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms are nothing but eye redness, blurred vision, vomiting, nausea, eye pain, and excessive watering from the eye are the main sign symptoms. Now talking about the diagnosis, the instruments used to diagnose the glaucoma are tonometry, ophthalmoscope, gonioscopy, perimetry, and pachymetry are the instruments which are being used to diagnose the glaucoma. Now talking about the medical management, the drugs used, the cholinergic drug which is used, it leads to increase the aqueous fluid of the eye, and it is being prescribed 2 to 3 times in a day. Adrenergic agonist reduces the production of aqueous humor in the eye. Beta blockers decreases the production of aqueous humor in the eye, and these all are being prescribed to be taken in 2 to 4 times a day. Now the surgical treatment used are laser tuberculoplasty, laser iridotomy, trabeculotomy, canaloplasty, diode laser cyclobration. These are all the surgeries which are being used in the treatment of glaucoma. This was all about glaucoma. So guys, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. It gives a huge of motivation to me to make more videos in the department of optometry and ophthalmology. So thank you and bye bye.